spent the second night of my trip on a mountain ridge near the Lost Steers mine in Nevada. The miners turned the top of the mountain into a honeycomb of adits, shafts, stopes, and pits. They built an unusual double-deck ore bin on a rocky cliff. 2 levels of trestles were built for dumping waste rock and transporting ore to the bin. In 1913, Thomas Pepper and Charles Keogh were tracking 2 stray steers when they came across an abandoned prospect. They recognized the red mineral as mercury ore called cinnabar. Pepper and Keogh worked their claims consistently until 1918, when the end of World War I reduced the demand for mercury. I checked out the main adit. Here is where the ore cart tracks exit the mine and extend out over the trestle to the ore bin. The adit is in poor shape, partially collapsed and littered with broken timbers and fallen rocks. The walkway on the upper trestle is precarious, and I was unable to make it all the way out to the ore bin. The mine sat idle until 1939, at which time the mine was taken over by the Mina Development Company. The new owners built the large ore bin and trestles. With the completion of the large ore bin, they began using trucks to haul the ore from the bin down a new road to the rotary furnace at the Mina mine. The ore ran out in 1941, and the Lost Steers mine has been idle ever since. The ore was originally processed on site in this small brick retort near the current ore bin. The ore would be roasted in the retort at high temperature until the mercury evaporated out of the ore. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos featuring ghost towns, mines, and more.